Hello guys, and welcome back to my Apple source for another useful video. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined. Please enter another payment method. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your credit card is not expired. So guys, check your credit card expiry date, and if it is expired, you will have to get a new one to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is, sign out to your Apple ID and restart your device, and again sign in your Apple ID on your device. So guys, open your profile. From here you will have to scroll it below and then tap on sign out. Give your password here and sign off your Apple ID on your device, and then again sign in your Apple ID on your device to fix this problem. So guys, after this, the next solution to this problem is that you will have to reset your network settings on your device. So guys, open settings, tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, give your password here. So guys, again tap on reset network setting and reset your network setting and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is, select your country or region correctly. So guys, open settings and then open your profile. From here, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, wait for some seconds, tap on country or region, tap again on change country or region. So guys, select here your country according to your credit card and go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after all this solution, there is a final solution that you will have to check your purchase history. So guys, open settings again, and from here tap on purchase history. So guys, wait for some seconds. So guys, check there if any unpaid subscription is here. You will have to pay it first to fix this problem. So guys, pay your all unpaid subscriptions here and then go and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after all these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.